YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back for some quick fix videos for you guys on Polaris's Turbo Turtle pressure side pool cleaner for above ground pools. So we're going to dive in and show you guys how to completely tear this thing apart from the outside in. Stay tuned. Alright guys, and we're back. So again today we've got some quick fix videos for you guys on Polaris's Turbo Turtle pressure side above ground pool cleaner. It's a mouthful, but this cleaner is meant to run without a booster pump, so you're looking for a dedicated pressure line at your equipment, typically around your skimmer. All the instructions, anything are all included when you buy the cleaner right out of the box. It'll have all the adapters that you need to connect it to that port. So when you guys buy a complete unit, you don't need to purchase anything additional. They'll have all that stuff. If you guys want to see what comes in the box, check out the links in the description. We've done a what's in the box for you guys to show you the entire cleaner fresh out of a brand new box. So for today's video, I just want to go over these deflector wheels that are actually on the base of the cleaner itself. So this is actually what will face down towards the bottom of the pool. You guys can tell I've got everything stripped apart right now. If you guys want to know how I got down to just the base right now, make sure you guys check out the links in the description. We got a playlist for you guys on tearing the top off, getting the internal gears out, showing you guys how to do all that. So we'll have a full video scale there for you guys on how to get to this point. But for today's video, again, I want to talk to you guys about these deflector wheels that are around the base. The entire purpose of these deflector wheels, they are actually a rubber compared to a plastic like the rest of the cleaner is. These are meant to make sure that the cleaner does not get stuck in your above ground pool. So regardless of if you have an oval or square or any other kind of shape on your above ground pool, these free spin on the side of the cleaner so that as this thing is buzzing around the top of your pool, if it hits the actual sidewall, these will help it just ride along the side and continue to move it out so it doesn't actually get stuck on the pool. So really an important part. You want to make sure that you have all five of these attached so that way you guys don't take the risk of this thing getting stuck and having the actual sweep hose or the net get stuck and ruin your liner, because that's, as we all know, that's going to be a much bigger expense than you guys want. So really simple fix on these. All you're going to need is that same Phillips head screwdriver that we use for most of the other stuff on the cleaner. These are just white plastic screws, so you do want to make sure that you're using hand tools only. Don't bring the drill out when you guys are trying to attach new ones. You don't want to over crank them, tighten them. And I do not suggest replacing these often. Only replace them as needed, as there's no dedicated screw port on the actual frame. So when you're sinking these plastic screws in, over time it's going to wear on that plastic and you may not be able to actually get one of these to fit back in. So if you make it to that point, the next step's buying a new base. So again, check out the links in the description. We have all these parts available for this Turbo Turtle directly on our website. So as you guys can see, I just unscrewed the one white plastic screw. Here's my rubber ring. When you do put it on, it is directional, making sure that it will put the flat side down so that it will actually rotate, because there are no additional washers similar to some of the other cleaners that may have these deflector wheels. They'll put a washer on it. Obviously, you guys can tell it's just running rubber on a smooth part of the actual screw. So it is important that you guys make sure you put them in correctly so that you guys don't over tighten them or have an issue where these don't rotate enough and the cleaner gets stuck and again causes issues for you guys. So once you guys have removed it, it's really simple. You're going to grab your new one, again, go opposite direction and just go ahead and hand tight very gently the screw back on. Again, I only go till I can kind of not turn anymore. To have a little bit of wiggle room in there is really nice, because again, that way you know they'll work efficiently for you guys. So just want to show you guys how to do that quick fix for the Polaris Turbo Turtle. Again, make sure you guys subscribe. We're going to have a ton of videos coming your way on this cleaner as well as other cleaners. Kyle from ePoolSupply. I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you next time.